Happy morning, students. How are you? I am going to ask some questions. Listen carefully and answer. Name some birds. Crow, parrot, peacock, etc. Good. Name some animals. Cow, goat, lion, tiger, etc. Name some insects. Ant, butterfly, wasp, beetle, moth, etc. Children, all the insects are useful in some ways. Some insects are harmful to humans and some insects are useful. Would you name some useful insects? Honeybee, butterfly. Honeybees collects honey. Butterfly help in pollination. Some insects like ladybug and dragonfly destroy other harmful insects. Good. What are the harmful insects? Mosquito, housefly, termite, cockroach, etc. These insects do harm to human beings. Children, do you like honey? Yes, everyone likes honey. Do you know how do we get honey? Yeah, honeybees collect honey. Honey is a very tasty and healthy food. Honeybees are the only insects that produce food eaten by humans. Today we are going to learn the lesson on bees. Are you ready? Take your GK book, page number 14, lesson 8, bees. Look at the book. First exercise A, we are going to unscramble the sentences to get bee facts. In this lesson, we are going to learn something about bees. Already I told honeybees collect honey for human beings. Honey is a very tasty and healthy food. Honeybees collect it for human beings. Listen, first exercise. We are going to unscramble the words. Listen. 50 to 100 A, B visits a collection floss trip during. The words are collapse and given. We are going to unscramble. Listen carefully. Listen. A, B visits 50 to 100 floss during a collection trip. AB visits 50 to 100 flowers during a collection trip. First sentence, what is first sentence? AB visits 50 to 100 flowers during a collection trip. If a bee sent out for collection means it goes to nearly 50 to 100 flowers. It visits 50 to 100 flowers and collect honey. Second one, Antarctica continent are bees found except on every. Try to arrange. Antarctica continent are bees found except on every. Listen, bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. Bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. All the continents bees are there except Antarctica. The continent Antarctica is a very icy continent. There no bees, but in other continents we can find bees. Bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. Third one. Hexagons build bees in perfect honeycombs. Try to arrange. Bees build honeycombs in perfect hexagons. This honeycomb is made in perfect hexagon. In the shape hexagons, honeycomb is made by bees. Bees build honeycombs in perfect hexagons. Write neatly. Listen carefully and write. Bees build honeycombs in perfect hexagons. In the shape of hexagon, bees build honeycombs. Fourth one. Fly speed bees of 25 km per hour achieved. Try to arrange. Bees fly at a speed of 25 km per hour. Bees fly at a speed of 25 km per hour. 1 hour time, these honeybees fly about 25 km speed. These honeybees fly 25 kilometers per hour. Within 1 hour, the honeybees fly about 25 kilometers. Bees fly at a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Fifth one, insects are the bees only that food eaten by produce humans. Arrange. Try to arrange. Bees are the only insects that produce food eaten by humans. Bees are the only insects that produce food eaten by humans. There are lot of insects are there, but bees are the only insects that produce food eaten by humans. Only insect. Which is the only insect? Honeybees is the only insect that produce food eaten by humans. Sixth one, dance bees to each communicate other with. Try to arrange. Dance bees to each communicate other with. Bees dance to communicate with each other. How the bees communicate? The bees dance to dance and communicate with each other. Bees dance to communicate with each other. How do we communicate? We communicate by talking, speaking, or showing actions. But how do the bees communicate? Bees dance. They dance to communicate. Bees dance to communicate with each other. Seventh one, 1 by 12, a worker bee about in its teaspoon makes lifetime honey. Try to arrange. Listen carefully. A worker bee makes about 1 by 12 teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. In its whole lifetime, it collects only 1 by 12 teaspoon of honey. A worker bee makes about 1 by 12 teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Have you written? Shall we go to the next exercise? Exercise B. Use the picture clues to find out what the scientists study. Here some scientists are given in the big picture. We are going to find out. First one, a botany studies. A botany studies. Botany means study of plants. A botany studies plants. First one, a botany studies. Answer is B, plants. Second one, a zoology studies. Zoology studies. Zoology is the study of animals. Answer is C, animals. Zoology studies animals. Third one, an apiology studies. An apiology studies bees. Who studies bees? Apiologist. Apiologist studies bees. Answer is D. Fourth one, an ornithology studies birds. An ornithology studies birds. Answer is A, birds. A botany studies plants. Zoology studies animals. Apiology studies bees, and ornithology studies birds. Right? First one answer B, second one answer C, third one answer D, and fourth one answer A. Look at the last corner. Wise owl says, butterflies taste with their feet. How do we taste? We taste with our tongue, but butterflies taste with their feet. Next, Hercules beetles can lift 850 times their own weight. That is equivalent to a human lifting 10 elephants. The Hercules beetle, one big beetle is there. That beetle can lift 850 times their own weight. Very big weight it can lift. That is equivalent to a human lifting 10 elephants. Can we lift 10 elephants? No, not possible. Have you understood? Shall I revise once again? A bee visits 50 to 100 flowers during a collection trip. In one trip, a bee visits 50 to 100 flowers to get honey. A bee visits 50 to 100 flowers during a collection trip. Second one, bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. All the continents we can see bees, but in Antarctica there is no bees. Bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. Third one, bees build honeycombs in perfect hexagons. Bees build honeycombs in perfect hexagons. The honeycomb is hexagon in shapes. Fourth one, bees fly at a speed of 25 km per hour. The bees fly at a speed of 25 km per hour. Fifth one, bees are the only insects that produce food eaten by humans. Bees are the only insects that produce food eaten by humans. Honeybees produce honey that is eaten by human beings. Sixth one, bees dance to communicate with each other. How bees communicate? To dance to communicate with each other. Seventh one, a worker bee makes about 1/12 teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Among the honeybees, that queen bee is there, male bee is there, and lots of worker bees are there. These worker bee only go out, visit the flowers and collect honey. That worker bee collect how much honey? 1/12 teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. Have you understood? Have you written correctly? Next, exercise B. Look at the picture and match. A botanist studies plants. A zoologist studies animals. An apiologist studies bees. An ornithologist studies birds. Once again, botanist, plants, zoologist, animals, apiologist, bees, and ornithologist, birds. Have you understood? Butterflies taste with their feet. How butterflies taste with their feet? How do we taste? With our tongue. Butterflies taste with their feet. Then, Hercules beetles can lift 850 times their own weight. That is equivalent to a human lifting 10 elephants. Have you marked correctly? Have you understood the lesson? Study well. Thank you.